Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view where you spend your data in Telegram. If you're curious about your data usage and want to analyze it, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Data and Storage. Tap on it to access the settings related to your data usage. Step 4. Within the Data and Storage settings, tap on Data Usage. Here, you'll find a pie chart with an analysis of your data usage. Step 5. If you tap on any option in the pie chart, it will divide the data usage into data sent and data received. This breakdown will help you understand where your data is being spent in Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can easily view where you spend your data in Telegram and gain insights into your data usage patterns. Thank you for watching and enjoy analyzing your data usage in Telegram.